In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export lists and data from QuickBooks Online to Excel. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to pull your information out of QuickBooks and into Excel so you can analyze it, share it, or back it up. First, sign into your QuickBooks Online account and head to the main dashboard. From here, look towards the upper right area of your screen for the Settings or Tools menu. Open that menu, then find and select the option labeled Tools, and within that, choose Export Data. This is the main area where QuickBooks lets you pull information out in bulk. Once you're on the Export Data page, you'll see two main sections or tabs to choose from, one called Reports and another called Lists. The Reports tab is where you export things like financial statements or summaries of activity over time. The Lists tab is for the underlying details, such as your customers, vendors, chart of accounts, or products and services. Decide what you actually need in Excel. If you're doing analysis or sharing summary information, you'll probably use Reports. If you're cleaning up your records or migrating to another system, you might spend more time in Lists. After choosing the right tab, you'll notice that QuickBooks shows a list of items with on and off sliders or toggles. Everything might be turned on by default. Go through this list carefully and think about what you actually need. If there are items you don't care about, simply switch those sliders off. This helps keep your export clean and avoids cluttering your Excel files with extra sheets or reports you won't use. Take a moment here to double-check your selections, because whatever is left turned on is what will be included in the export. When you're satisfied with your choices, look for the Export to Excel button and click it. QuickBooks will take a moment to prepare the files. Depending on how much data you have, this might take a little time, so be patient and avoid clicking multiple times. Once QuickBooks finishes, your data will be downloaded to your computer as a zip file. This is a compressed folder that may contain multiple Excel files, especially if you selected several reports or lists. Locate the zip file in your Downloads folder, then open or extract it. Inside, you'll see the individual Excel files, each one representing a different report or list you chose. From there, you can open them in Excel, save them to another location, or share them with your team.